Hello students, welcome to Python programming for school students. In this tutorial, we will cover today operators. So basically we will cover arithmetic operators, then relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, augmented operators, identity operators, membership operators, and then operator precedence. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. What are operators? Operators are special symbols used to perform mathematical, logical, and relational operations on variables and values. The variable or values on which the operators work are called operands. Okay. Suppose so A and B will be called as operands. Let's first discuss about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on which on variables and values. We have different type of arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is addition arithmetic operator. Similarly, we have subtraction arithmetic operator. Then we have division operator. Let's see. Okay. Then we have remainder operator. Whatever the remainder is, it will return that. Then we have exponential operator. So it is 2 to the power 3. Okay. Yeah. Then we have float division. The difference between division and float division is that float division divides the number with the second number and returns the whole number adjusted left with the line number. Okay, it returns the whole number. Same thing if I do using only division, it will return 2.5. But when I use float division, it returns the whole number. Okay. Then let's discuss relational operators. Relational operators are the comparison operators used to compare the values given on both sides of the operators and returns the boolean value either true or false. So we have different type of relational operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to. Let's see one by one. Let's declare a variable, right? B also equals to 5, C equals to 6. Okay. If I do, we have assigned the values like a equals to 5 and b equals to 5. It means both the variable having the same value. So when I do a equals to b, it returns me true. Similarly, if I do a equals to c, it has different values, so it is false. If I do a not equals to c, it's true. Then greater than, we are checking whether a is greater than b or not. It is false. If I check c is great c is greater than a, it is true. If I check is less than c, it is true because a is 5 and c is 6. Similarly, if I check is greater than or equal to b, it is true because both a and b having same values. If I check is less than or equal to c, sorry, b, it is also true because these are same. If I check also is less than or equal to c, it is also true because it is less than c, a is less than c. Then let's come to logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine one or more conditional statements and return either true or false. So we have three logical operators: and, or, not. Let's see one by one. So here we are checking two conditions: age less than equal to B and B is less than C. Both the conditions satisfied, so it is returning us true. If I do both the conditions are not satisfied, so it is returning me false. And in case of or, if one condition satisfies, then it returns true. Then we have not. Here B is less than C. So when we use not operator, it reverses the result. If I do only B is less than C, then it is true. But if I use not, it returns false. Okay. Then we have assignment operator. Whenever you are assigning any value to a variable, we use the assignment operator. Okay. If I do here equals to is the assignment operator. Then we have augmented assignment operators. These operators take the value of the operands on the right side, perform an operation, and assign the result to the operand on the left side. Let's see one by one. First, we have plus equals to. As here, press declare equals to 5, and b equals to 10. Okay, so first see what is the value of a. So now the value of a is 5. But if I do, okay, see. So what does, instead of writing A equals to A plus B, we can directly change the value of A by writing A plus equals B. It means it will add A's value which is 5, then B's value which is 10. It will do the similar thing like A plus B. Similarly, we have minus equals to. Let's see what it does. It subtracted B from A. Okay. And let's see. Okay. It multiplied A into 4. Similarly, if I do, sorry. Okay. If I, it divides like that. We have B equals to 10. If I do, now B's value is 5. Whatever the remainder will be, it will be assigned to B now. See, now B has become its value 1. Then the last augmented operator we have exponential plus. Let's see. Okay, so earlier we had the value of A was 4.0. Now when we use exponential operator a to the power 2 equals to 16.1. Okay. Then next we have identity operators. These are used to check if two variables refer to same object in memory. Okay. They compare their memory locations. We have two identity operators, one is and another is not. Let's see both the identity operators. Let's check. Okay, here what happens when you use each identity operator, it returns true if both variables point to the same object. Otherwise, it returns false. Similarly, is not, it returns true if both variables point to different objects. If you use here, because both the objects refer to the same memory location, that's why it was giving us true. When we used is not, then it returned us false. If let's take x equals to 7, then H not C. Okay, because A and C both the variables refer to different objects. That's why we got true here when you used is not identity operator. Then we have membership operators. Membership operators used to check whether a value exists in a sequence or not. We have two membership operators, in and not in. Let's see both the operators by examples. Let's declare a list. Okay. If I check 3 we have in our list, so it returns us true. If I check whether I have 7 in my list, okay. Similarly, not in, it returns true if a variable is not found in a specified sequence. Okay, it returns us true because 7 was not present in the list. We covered the operators. Then let's come to operator precedence. Operator precedence in Python dictates the order in which operations are performed with an expression. When we have multiple operators or when you use multiple operators, then according to order of precedence, it is performed. When an expression contains multiple operators, Python evaluates them according to a specific hierarchy. And these are the hierarchy from highest to lowest. Anything we have inside parenthesis that will be performed first. Okay, any operator inside parenthesis that will be performed first. Then exponentiation after parenthesis, we consider exponentiation the second priority. Then we have multiplication, division, float division, and modulo. Then addition and subtraction. Then bitwise shift operators. Then bitwise and bitwise and bitwise or. Then comparison operators. Then membership operators, identity operators, logical not, logical and logical or. So these are the order we perform our operators. Okay. And if an expression contains two or more operators with the same precedence, then the order of evaluation from left to right, except for exponential, which is always from right to left. So, so it calculated like, okay. So in the first example, what it did, it performed from right to left when we have same operators. In case of exponential operator, and but like except that when you use other operators, it perform from left to right. Okay, so what it did, 10 minus 2 equals to 8 plus 3 equals to 11 minus 3 equals to 8. So that's all about operators. Next tutorial will cover comments, print function, and errors. In case you have any doubt, please mention it in the comment. I'll try to solve that in the comments, or I'll cover in the next tutorial. And please subscribe to my channel so that if I post any video, you will get the notification. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.